You're looking for a brush, a 2-in-1 brush with a stone and soft bristle that opens up to 25 inches that you can hang up on the hook in the bathroom. Adjustable in all lengths and portable that you could take apart and travel along with, or just use it via the short handle. We're going to show you briefly about the 2-in-1 Pumice brush. The company Gobiteli is a Pumice extended stick, 17 to 24 plus inches of Pumice stone for kids of all ages. Easy to set up, reach down, and scrub feet. As we open up the product, it's a 2-in-1 double-sided brush. You have the Pumice brush on one side, the stone, and the brush on the opposite side. And you have a little opening as a design. An excellent addition to the bathroom. It comes nicely packaged, as you see, well protected with a lanyard strap. And the colors of silver, black with the ergonomic grip handle with little buttons and design, and instructions on how to set up. It is very easy to set up by placing on and screwing. As we screw on, as you can see the way the thumb is, it is tightening. In order to release and extend the pole, all you need to do is hold, give a twist, and extend. It is a one telescopic pole measuring from leading edge to edge 26 inches, 21.5 inches to the main base. The lanyard strap is to hang up on a hook, not through the hand. As we're going to demonstrate in the bathroom, scrubbing your feet. We have hooks to hang the Pumice brush. We have stools. For reaching down is simply grabbing by the brush end to scrub. And to take off abrasions and dead skin, you have the Pumice. If you need to extend rather than reaching and scrubbing, the Pumice brush. It's ergonomic. Sitting down, you're able to scrub and extend to the fullest with ease. For hygiene, scrubbing dead skin, extend it to the fullest or adjusting to the height of your needs. Your Pumice brush. Enjoy your product if this is something that you're looking for in your bathroom needs, and thank you for viewing.